Today I want to go fishing and I want to do it all day long. But I can't. What is it for 2 hours? But I hope I catch some bass, baby.
Oh, switch it.
This is Stefan, and he taught me a lot, and I really like him. He's really good at fishing, and I hope that I catch some fish with him.
Why did the fish blush? It saw the pond's bottom. Low, the rod tip, the end of the rod low. What we're doing here is these fish, it's like a buffet item.
Yeah.
You know, eventually someone's going to give in and pick it up and try it. They can't help themselves. Not everybody likes cream corn, but some people do.
Someone's gonna take it. Oh. Grab him.
What, bud?
Did you drop the fishing pole? You can grab him.
Kind of the best way to learn is
Yeah. Here, let me see, buddy. Hold it flat and smile.
Hold them up. Are you ready?
All right.
Bigger one. You ready? Time.
Oh.
Staying in one place. We're not moving our body other than our arms, right?
You got that? Hey, you got that? Just your arms, okay? Don't back up.
We're not doing this. We're not. Imagine that we're locked in the mud. Wiggle with your shin.
You're doing a great job.
All right.
The reel on top. Put your left hand on top. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Reel it in.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All
We're
right.
gonna reset. Pull up.
He ate it. I haven't. Pull up.
Okay. Stop. Stop.
Not a fishy floppy! Hi, Floppy. Hi, Floppy. No! Bad Floppy.
Oh.
No Floppy.
Now, do you really want to brace yourself and get ready for some sweet action?
Yeah.
Hold that pole. Hold on tight. Watch this. Watch this. I gotta let this way.
Eyes are so sandy. Oh, I just did it. Ah! 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 Mwah! Ah!
Oh, okay. All right, toss him back in.
Let me see if he plays that again. Ah! Hey,
The
don't
wrong
go
way. Put them in the right direction. Put them head first.
Okay.
There you go. Good job.
How was that?
We are down at the lake here. Ivan just went fishing and caught like 10 fish. How many fish did you catch?
10.
10. And almost some big bass. Pretty epic fishing day here from Little Man. We are on day 2 of fishing down at the pond here. Ivan is determined to catch some monsters, so we are fishing the bait fish first. You can see him there swimming around, eating the hot dogs. And then we're gonna hook those things and catch some beasts. What do you think, Ivan? Look at the camera. Beasts.
No, I'm not looking at the camera.
He's focused. You focused?
Yes, I'm focused.
Oh, has it got him on? Oh, you got him on. Let him go, let him go.
Very slowly. Don't pull up.
Okay. See, you got him on. Let it. It's okay. Let him fight. Yeah. Oh!
You got in those weeds.
He's got one on. You got it on. Good job. Reel it in. Reel it in. I know you got it. That thing's a fighter. You got it. You got it.
I have a little grabber to make it easier. I'm gonna grab that.
Oh.
Okay.
5 on top. I can't believe we got a bag.
Good job, buddy. Oh, he got you.
I don't let him go.
You're gonna let him go?
Wild fishy.
So here, you're gonna put him in the water. Right here. I'll help you. Okay. Put him in the water. You don't splash. Okay, let me see this. There you go. Good job. Hey, high five. Awesome.
Let's go fishing.